Check this out. Before, shine degreaser. Let's break down the grime fast. Right now, one wipe. Boom. See that? That's how easy it is. Look how much force I'm putting in. And I'm deliberately doing this so you can see that it's not hard. It's actually really easy. Now, why aren't the shoelaces taken out, etc., etc.? Because the little boy needed to wear his shoes in 15 minutes. Before, show you one more time. Spray with shine degreaser. Agitate with a wet magic eraser. And then, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shoe. But we need to get into the crevices. How do we get into the crevices? With a brush. Now, this wasn't the best brush. This is actually a horrible brush for what I'm doing. But it worked. You'll see. Always rinse the product off. Don't leave any product behind. Now imagine what the shoelaces would have come up like. Oh my gosh. You'd put the shoelaces in the washing machine, by the way. I'd probably spray shine degreaser on them first, though, to make sure they come up nice and beautiful. Give it a wipe. Wipe it dry. God, look at me. I'm just... This was the morning as I went to go and see my friend, straight out of bed. Can you tell? Look at this. That's right. That's right. Have a good look. Yeah, I'm trying to cover that so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Now, how long did that take me? 2 minutes? It took me 2 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Now, come on. Come on. Beautiful. Isn't it just beautiful?